You are waiting for a rescue that is not scheduled, a hero that is not coming. The phone is not going to ring. The door is not going to open. No one is coming to save you. You know this feeling. You feel it when you check your bank account, that low, cold dread. You feel it on Sunday nights, staring at the ceiling, knowing tomorrow is just a copy of yesterday. You feel it scrolling through feeds, watching lives that look like movies while yours feels like a rerun. You feel it in the quiet, in the loneliness of a dream that only you remember, the ambition that feels like a burden now. They call it being stuck, being lost, but it's deeper than that. It's a quiet surrender, a voice that whispers, maybe this is just it. That voice is a liar, but you're starting to believe it. You've looked for the way out, the guru, the blueprint, the 10-step plan. You've waited for motivation, for inspiration, for the sign. You thought, if I just meet the right person, get the right break, find the right shortcut. Stop. Just stop. Here is the truth you've been avoiding, the raw, unflattering truth. Your life right now is a perfect reflection of your standards, and your standards are negotiable. You negotiate with your alarm clock. You negotiate with your diet. You negotiate with your own word. You set a goal and then you barter with it. I'll start Monday. I'm too tired today. It's too hard. You have made comfort a priority and then wonder why you're uncomfortable with your life. You think your problem is a lack of opportunity. It is not. Your problem is a surplus of excuse. You think your problem is time. It is not. Your problem is focus. You think your problem is money. It is often a problem of discipline. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are an architect, and you have been building a prison. No one is coming with a key because you are the one who locked the door. No mentor, no parent, no partner, no lottery ticket can excavate you from the life you've tolerated. Salvation is not an external event. It is an internal decision, and you haven't made it yet. Motivation is a fair weather friend. It shows up for the party, for the new year, for the new idea. Then it leaves. It always leaves. Discipline is the soldier that stays in the trench. Discipline is not a feeling. It is a practice. It is the decision made once and then reaffirmed every single day in every single small action that you will no longer betray yourself. It is going to the gym when you feel weak. It is writing the first paragraph when you have nothing to say. It is saving the dollar instead of spending it. It is studying when you could be scrolling. It is choosing the hard right over the easy wrong, again and again and again. There is no magic in discipline, only mechanics. It is the compound interest of character. You do not build a life in one grand gesture. You build it brick by brick, day by day, in the silent, unseen hours when no one is applauding and the only witness is your own integrity. This is where the change happens, not in the spotlight, in the shadows. Tomorrow morning, you will wake up, and in that first moment of consciousness before you reach for the phone, you will make a choice. You will not ask yourself how you feel. Feelings are followers, not leaders. You will tell yourself what you will do. One thing, the one thing that matters most, and you will do it. Your new currency is not motivation, it is execution. Did you do what you said you would do for yourself when no one was watching? That is the only question that matters. Protect your focus like it is your last clean source of water. Time is not slipping away from you. You are giving it away, handing it over in chunks to things that despise your potential. You must become ruthless with what you allow into your mind and onto your calendar. Stop talking about what you deserve. Start building what you are worth. There is a gap between the life you have and the life you want. That gap is not filled with wishes. It is filled with work. Daily, consistent, unsexy work. This is your Emancipation Proclamation, signed by you, enforced by you. The chains are not on your wrists, they are in your habits, in your routines, in the compromises you've mistaken for peace. Look at your life. Really look at it. This is not a dress rehearsal. This is the performance, and you have been missing your cues. The world is not against you. It is simply indifferent. It will yield only to those who force it to yield, who decide with a terrifying finality that they are done asking for permission, done waiting for a savior. The hero you have been waiting for is the person you see in the mirror when you shave, when you brush your teeth. That tired face, that is the only savior on the roster. That is the one who has to fight. The cavalry is not coming. You are the cavalry. So get up. There is work to do. The waiting is over. The rescue begins now.